Hello everyone, totally forgot about this beauty right here. It's from Hobby Japan. It's a 164 scale model and it is definitely initial D. Yeah, I like it, but to be honest, I've never seen a show from initial D. Mitsubishi Evo in a black color with white rims, and the cool thing is there is a driver inside, and that's the reason I bought it. Oh yeah, here it says 164 scale Mitsubishi Lancer RS Evolution. Let's open it up. As you can see, it comes in a display case. Hobby Japan, not cheap here in Europe. Also not cheap on AliExpress. I buy it at Tom's Model Cars, Tom's Model Autos, but you can also buy it on Ali. Basically the same price. So if you're living in the Netherlands, best to buy at Tom's. If you're living outside the Netherlands, maybe you can check AliExpress. Okay, the cool thing is it comes with a very cool diorama base. Looks like the lights are shining on the diorama base. I like that. Hobby Japan, really good quality models. Except for this right here is not so good because I think the spoiler is a little bit out of position here. Yeah. That's a little bit of a shame, I have to say, because yeah, you pay around 30 euro here in Europe for this model, and you expect that everything is good. Maybe I can push it a little bit down. No, I don't think so. Meh. Lights here in the back, and we see an exhaust tip. I love the rims on this one. That's pretty cool. And the evolution here on the side mirrors with a silver tip mirror in the middle for looking back. Can you see it? Well, we can use some. There you can see it. And let's have a look at the driver. The driver has a hat or a bandana. No, has a hat. No facial paintings. He's wearing his seatbelts. Green pants, white shirt. One hand on the steering wheel and the other hand on the poke for shifting gear. Okay, let's take it off the base. Here we go. See, this is the base without the car. Yep, plastic base. Yeah, definitely plastic base. Silver exhaust tip. We got some details. And the wheels, they are rolling. Brake claw and brake disc are staying on its position. Wheels are not rolling super good. I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed. I was also expecting a license plate. Lens front lights. Yeah, the car is looking great, but the wheels should be rolling a little bit better. Here, definitely not cool. Not sure what I can do about it. Yeah, I can take it off and glue it back on again. But I'm afraid that I will damage the car too much. I like the red detail on the rim, by the way. That's pretty cool. And it also should have a metal base, in my opinion. Yeah, it's very cool that it's got a driver. I got another one right here, also from Hobby Japan, also initial D. This one has an even cooler diorama. There is standing someone here at the initial D tofu shop. Got a very cool diorama of that tofu shop. I think you have seen it many times in my videos. I'm using a lot for photos and videos. I got it from More Art. Yeah, this one has also no license plate, but it has red seats. Toyota This is the, I almost forgot that name. No, this is the Evo. And this is the Toyota Sprinter Trueno GT Apex. And there's even a small cartoon on the back. I like that. But I have no idea what they are saying. Oh, here's also a small cartoon on the back with the car inside. Nice. I think here it is also a little bit damaged. I don't think it has supposed to be like that. But I have to say the one from Time Micro is a little bit better and also comes with a license plate, because you can use the license plate that is used in the Initial D cartoon TV show. And the one from Time Micro also has a metal base, which in my opinion is much better. These wheels are rolling better than the Evo. And this one is also around €30. Yeah, definitely cool that it comes with a driver and that it also has colored seats. Coffee cup there in the middle? I think so. Let me get... let's go over here. Put some light on because it's already getting dark here in the Netherlands. So here is the tofu shop. And there you can see the one from Time Micro. Okay, doesn't come with a figure inside. But it does come with a metal base and silver detail on the exhaust. And important for Dude, it has a license plate. Now I do have license plate, so I can fix that problem. And yes, I know some collectors say I don't want a license plate, or I want to decide what license plate I will put on. I understand, but I prefer a license plate. Yeah, this is also Initial D house from More Art. Pretty cool. Do I have more Initial D cars? Nah, don't think so. Nope. Nope. So yeah, a little bit disappointed by the Evo. Ah, damn. What can I do about this? Can I break it? No, I'm not going to do that. Yeah, the only thing that's the problem. Whoa, let's show me here. Let's do this. The only thing that's the problem is this little piece right here. How can I? Do I have some tools? Can I use a knife? I'm going to break it. There you go. Is there a hole or something? Thing is, I need to get that away. Let's see. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, no. I need something very sharp. No. I have another one right here. This one is a little bigger. Nope, it's too big. Too big. Oh, wait a minute. I have an idea. Back in a sec. Okay, I'm back, and I have my Letterman, and that one has a pretty good scissor on it. Let's see, it's right here. Otherwise, I can use something else. Actually, it will work. Let's do this. Yeah. Nope. Still not good enough. Come on. Yeah, sorry that I'm doing this on camera. Very boring video. Very frustrating also. You pay €30 and you get this. No good. Okay, this should be, yeah, it should be a lot better. This is good. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Now it's good. Whoa, hallelujah. Okay, now here's some glue. I'm using this glue. Not too much. Oh, that's too much. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. 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 Okay, that should be enough. Okay. And then we wait. Okay, so I fixed the problem and I put a license plate on it. I was busy anyway. Yeah, this is much better. And now it is okay and much better with a license plate, much more realistic. I mean, there's a driver inside and he needs to drive on the streets. And how can you drive without a license plate? Yeah, it is possible, but it's not realistic. A lot of people ask me, where do you get those license plates? Well, here you have JDM license plates and you can buy them on AliExpress. Pretty easy to find. Just go to AliExpress, type in license plate 1/64 scale, and boom, they pop up. You have European license plates, you have USA license plates, and you have JDM license plate. And here you can see anime. Unfortunately, there was no Mitsubishi Evolution, but there are a lot of other cars, and I choose random. This is temporary. That's also possible. Why not? Yeah, I'm happy with it now, but still a little bit disappointed because you pay a lot of money, and then yeah, the wheels aren't rolling. Spoiler was not good. No license plate, no metal base. But I have to say, it's a licensed product. It's an official licensed product, and that's yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah. Same for this one, I guess. Doesn't say anything about licensed product here. Or do I have to look over here? Yeah, you have to look over here, dude. Okay, thanks for watching. Definitely going to make a cool photo with this one pretty soon. Don't have time now. Normally I do a cool photo after the video, but not for now. Have a good evening and don't forget to smash the like button. Bye.